Welcome back, everybody. This is Dave with Spider Monkey 2A. Today we're finally going to get back out fishing. We just had a couple small storm fronts roll through. We've been without rain for probably 2 weeks now. I'm hoping the cooler temperatures this morning and those storm fronts going through is going to get them going crazy. Stick around. Should be a lot of fun.
There we go, fish on. Darn it. Oh, I guess I did get him in the mouth. Swiped it, got him in the mouth and the fin. Let's get him. Alright guys, little 4 or 5 incher. Let's get him back. Thanks for playing, guy. Alright, on the board. Seeing some slapping top water. Ooh, there we go, fish. Ooh, that is a nice one, guys. Get over here to him. It's definitely a nicer fish. Holy moly. Jeepers. Wow, this is a nice fish, guys. Wow, he's putting up a fight in that current, that's for sure. Oh, shoot, down in the weeds. Let's try to get him out of there. Come on, get out of there. There we go, we got him out. Get him up here. All right, guys, that is a nice fish. All right, let's get him off of there. All right, guys, we're not gonna get a tape on this guy. Right, 12 incher. So beautiful, beautiful colors on this one. Nice and dark. Let's get him back. All right, thanks for playing, guy. All right, guys. Finally got a nice one out of one of these deep holes here. That's exciting. Let's see if anything smacks that up. Holy moly, that was a giant swell. Didn't hit it though. Bug. Sorry about that, guys. Oh. Nailed a bug. That was not pleasant. Oh, man. Ooh. Getting a lot of hits, guys. The positioning of these weeds in front of me. I'm trying to keep the pole low so I can keep the Rapala having some depth. And then when I go to set the hook, I'm smacking right into these. Ooh, god darn it. As I'm explaining it, that's exactly what happened. Alright, guys. No more excuses. I got some better positioning here. If I miss it, it's on me. Well, it's on me anyways, but holy moly. Holy cow, and I don't think I was angled the way it was, but that was a giant that just leaped out of the water. Probably a 14 incher. Wow, they are active in here this morning, that's for sure. Another big swell. There we go, fish on. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one, guys. Go ahead and get my backpack off. All right, oh, that is a nice one. Stay out of the weeds, stay out of the weeds, stay out of the weeds. Oh, there we go, he's out of the weeds. This is a nice fish, guys. This is gonna be a tough one to land. We are gonna have to pull him up. Oh, all right, we got him, guys. Oh, wow, this is a nice fish. Let's get him off there and get him measured. All right, guys, I just got a tape on him. 16 inches. All right, not a PB, but still a gorgeous, gorgeous fish. I love the colors of this one. He's bright. I don't know. Maybe that's a rainbow. I'm not sure. But he's squirmy. We've had him out too long. Let's get him back. Oh, we are high up on the bank, guys, remember? Again, gorgeous fish. Let's get him back. Thanks for playing, guy. All right, 16 inches, not a PB, but still, we're getting some good fish this morning. Let's keep it going. Real quick. There we go, fish on. Not a bad one. All right, nice skinny one. Let's get him off of there. All right, guys, again, nice, probably 5-6 incher. Let's get him back. Thanks for playing, guy. All right. Holy moly. There we go. He's on. That's a good one. Holy moly. That is a good one. Get out of the weeds. Darn it. Oh, extremely weedy here. Oh, darn it. Get out of the weeds. All right, let's get him up. All right, that's a beautiful fish. Wow, we're gonna have to get a tape on this guy too. All right, guys, just got a tape on him. 15 inches. He is a beautiful, long, healthy fish. Let's get him back in. Oh, I love this spot, guys. It's always full of giants. All right, let's get him back. Thanks for playing, guy. All right, guys. Another nice one. Not a new PB, but let's keep it going.
All right, well, spot one, we caught a couple really nice ones. I think it was a 12 we started with. Then we had that real nice 16 incher, that real thick one. Oh, that was beautiful. And then a nice 15 incher just down below that. We're going to head to another spot, hopefully have the same luck.
Holy moly. Oh, no. That was a good one. Darn. Oh, there's fish on. Smaller one. Well, oh, quick release. Thanks for playing, guys. Oh, there we go. A small one on there. Ooh, two nice ones. Swipe it there, guys. First time he didn't hit it. Second time he might have nicked it. Darn it. Those are nice ones. Ooh. Oh, no. That was a big one. I don't know what it is, guys.
Well, the rest of the morning didn't end up the way it started. We started out real hot, catching a couple real nice ones. A 16, 15, and a 10 or 12. But as the morning went on, the bite kind of slowed down. We moved to a different spot. We got some hits, had some good ones swipe at it, but just couldn't quite connect. But hey, that's fishing. But I'm glad to see that they're a little bit better, a little more active after the storm front came through. All right, everybody, this is Dave of Spider Monkey 2A. Give us a like, maybe share this video. I hope you subscribe. If not, thanks for stopping by.